Today I'm going to show you how I make my clear lip gloss. And first I created a double boiler and added my shea butter. And while that is melting down, I put my gel base on the plate and added a little bit of glitter just to give it a little sparkle. Then I just mixed it up until it is well blended before I add any other thing. I use white glitter. Well, it was kind of white, but it had like little color glitter to it, which you can kind of see. It's like a green opal color, I guess you could say, to it to give it a little shine and sparkle. And on my other things that I added was actually to my shea butter, which is grapeseed oil and almond oil. But I didn't show you how much I added because that'll be up to you, how you make it your own way. And no, it's nothing in there that's black. It's just the way the light is hitting it and how it's folded up. But I promise you it's nothing in it. See? Now we're gonna pour the oils in, the mixture of oils, and mix it up. This will be the part that you decide the consistency of how you like it. I add a little bit at a time, mix, add a little bit more, mix, until I get it how I like it myself. Then you just mix, mix, mix. It takes a while to mix it. Not too long though, but you just mix it up. And it looks a little runny on the sides, but you know, you mix and mix and mix. It'll blend it all in. Oh, now you can see the little green glitter sparkles in it. I think that's cute. Now I just added my scent to it. I did it this way so you can see. I think I used like 10 drops or something on it. And I filled, let me see, I think it was 8 bottles with 8 tubes. Then you just mix and mix some more. But I usually add that to my oils, but I wanted you to see. It don't take much to get the scent on it. Just depends on how strong you want it, I guess. And that one was mint flavor, I think. Yeah, that was a mint flavor. My clear is mint flavor. So this is just showing you the consistency that I like mine. A little sticky, a little runny. And I just like to suck mine up in the tube. I don't actually spoon it in. I just kind of slide it over and scoop. It'll have like an air bubble at the bottom if it sucks up air. So you just push it back down and suck it again and it'll go out. And this is just filling the tube up. It's kind of hard trying to do it to the side so you can see it. But you just wiggle it a little and it'll go side to side, side to side. And this is actually my doing of the other bottles. One more example before we put the tops on. And I like to show, I'll show you in just a second, how the flat part of the bottle at the bottom is lined up. So it's like not, the top isn't sideways. See, it's just lined up. So it's flat and you won't be putting your lip gloss on sideways. And there's what it looks like when it's done. And these are actually my smaller tubes. But if you would like to see my colors, let me know.